Are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
You'll ask
1 minute.
question and Shima will answer. Okay, start this one.
Okay, sir. Shivaku, are you ready?
Yes, yes, madam. I'm ready.
Okay. What do you do on holiday?
Well, on holiday, I love to relax, go out for a nice meal.
Don't you go anywhere for visiting?
Oh, I do love visiting anywhere for visiting. Okay. Oh, I do love visiting new place. It also exciting to explore different culture and see the new sites.
Okay. Where do you go for visiting?
Number 3, right?
Yes, where do you go for visiting?
Oh, okay. I go for visiting. Go for I love visiting new place. I got for a quiet natural spot, and other times I love exploring a new city.
Okay. Have you ever been to Patinga Beach?
I have personally been there. It is a lovely place. বলো পরটা বলো
Sir, when did you go there last?
I went there last time in 2022.
2022.
2022.
Yeah.
Did you go there alone?
No, I went there with family, friends.
How did you go there?
I went there by bus.
How did you pass your time there?
I had a great times at Patinga Beach. It was quite relaxing and refreshing.
Which thing of Patinga Beach fascinated you?
It's got to the perfect blend of natural beauty and a bit of local culture. It is a nice spot to relaxing and enjoy some fresh sea air.
Uh, which thing? Okay. Did you take a bath in the sea?
Yes, yes, I took a bath in the sea.
Okay. Didn't you take any snap there?
Yes, I took snap there.
Okay. Did you enjoy the sunset?
Yes, I did. I did enjoy
I
the
did have na. I
sunset of. I
enjoyed first
enjoyed
one.
the. I enjoyed the sunset beach at Patenga Beach. Sunset at Patenga Beach. It was really beautiful, peaceful.
Okay. How long did you stay there?
I stayed there for 2 days.
Do you often visit the place?
Yes, I visit that. I visit the place.
How far is Pottinger from your house?
Patinga from our house is actually quite a distance from here. I am.
আরো
Uh,
সহজ উত্তর দিলে কি হবে? মানে পতেঙ্গা বিচ ইজ ধরলাম 10 কিলোমিটার্স বললাম 10 কিলোমিটার্স ফার ফ্রম আওয়ার রেসিডেন্স মানে একটা বাক্য মিলালাম আর কি পতেঙ্গা বিচ ইজ 10 কিলোমিটার্স ফার
far
ফ্রম
from
আওয়ার
our
হাউস
house.
Our house.
Okay. Is Pottinger beach always crowded?
Yes, Patinga Bridge is always crowded.
ইস পতেঙ্গা বিচ ইস
Bridge is
Is
always crowded. কত নম্বর গাড়িটা?
16.
Okay, 16. Okay, and then now 17, right?
Yes. When is
Yes.
it crowded?
When is it crowded? Okay, Patinga Beach tends to get crowded during weekends and public holidays, especially in the evening when people come to the watch the sunset.
Okay. What type of people visit there more?
There usually are wrecks a mix of local and tourist, and sometimes even photographs looking for a good shot of the sunset.
Okay. Is the beach safe?
Yes, yes, the beach safe.
Is there any market beside the beach?
Yes, nearby markets at Patinga Sea Beach, local market, Naval Beach market there.
What types of goods are available there?
Types of goods are available there: souvenirs and handicrafts, street food and snacks, toys and beach items.
Did you buy anything from that market?
Yes, I bought from that market.
What did you buy?
I bought local printed fabrics, hairs and shawls.
Is there any restaurant there?
Yes, there are many restaurants there.
Did you have anything there?
And anything there? Yes, I ate.
I
I
had
ate.
I
Ate.
had did you have মানে খাওয়া এখানে have এর first term had হয়ে যাবে I had
Okay.
something there
I have fried crab, shrimps, and fish there.
didn't you take crab do you know crab kakra
Yes, Kaka.
Yes, sir.
okay
What is the difference between Cox's Bazar and Potenga?
Okay, the difference between Cox's Bazar, the coastal town in southern Bangladesh, one of the longest natural sea beach in the world. Patinga beach are near the port city of Chittagong, Chattogram.
Okay, what is the potentiality of Potenga Beach?
Patinga is located near Chattogram, Bangladesh. Has strong potential in several areas, specifically if developed thoughtfully.
Why do you
28.
think so?
I don't know. এটা পারি না. I don't think so.
I think
এটা
so
কি হবে স্যার?
because I think so because the communication system of Potenga Beach is very nice যোগাযোগ ব্যবস্থা ভালো very good
Very good. Very nice and very good. Yes, sir.
yeah
29.
What are the shortcomings of Potenga Beach?
The shortcoming Patinga Beach are limited cleanness, overcrowded, lack of faculties.
Okay, how is the security system over there?
এটা হচ্ছে কত 30 question, right?
30,
How's the
yes.
security system over there? The security system over there are very good.
তাহলে আর হবে না ইজ হবে the security
পুলিশ
system
পার্সন
is
সিটিভি
okay
পুলিশও আছে স্যার এখানে ক্যামেরাও আছে এটাও লিখলাম
তাহলে okay then that time
How can the security system be improved there?
Improving the security system, Patinga Beach can scientifically enhance visit to safety, prevent crime, and promote tourism.
Is Potenga Beach neat and clean?
Patinga Beach is not constantly neat and clean
Okay. Why isn't the place neat and clean?
because no proper system for garbage collection or disposal, insufficient maintenance, once overcrowding too many visitors. Done হয়ে গেলাম তুমি এখন বলো
Good job.
okay
Good job,
that's all
Yes, Apu, I'm ready.
Shomana always ready রুমা বলো ওকে
Okay, I start question. What do you do on holiday?
I usually spend time with my family or go somewhere for refreshment.
Don't you go anywhere for visiting?
Yes, I do. I love visiting new places.
Where do you go for visiting?
আপু বুঝি নাই আবার একটু বলেন।
Where do you go for
Where
visiting?
do you go for visiting?
Oh, okay. I often visit places like Asamu Jail, and Ramna Park or Patenga Sea Beach.
Okay. Have you ever been to Patanga Beach?
Yes, I have been to Patenga Beach.
When did you go there last?
I went there last year I went there last year in 2023.
Did you go there alone?
No, I went with my husband.
I went with the family members.
Yes, with the family members.
How did you go there?
We went there by bus.
How did you go pass your time?
Pass
Your
not
time
pass.
there. Pass your time.
I enjoyed working on the beach, watching the waves, and taking pictures.
Which thing of Patanga Beach
Fascinated you.
has
মুগ্ধ করা।
fascinated you?
Okay. The sunset and the sound of the waves fascinated me the most.
Did you go take a bath?
না go হবে না। Did you take a bath in the sea?
Did you take a bath in the sea?
Yes, I did.
Didn't you take any snap there?
Of course, I did. I took many
I took
pictures.
some snaps there.
Some snaps there.
Did you enjoy the sunset?
Yes, it was very beautiful and peaceful.
How long did you stay there?
I stayed there for 2 and 3 hours, the whole day.
For 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
Do you often visit the place?
Not very often, but I go there occasionally.
How far is Patanga?
It is
How
about
far
How far is Patanga from your house?
from your
house. Okay. It is about 15 kilometers
Far from my house.
far from my house.
Patanga Beach always crowded.
না প্রশ্ন করতে হবে is Patanga beach is Patanga beach always crowded.
Crowded.
Okay. It is not always crowded, but it gets busy on weekend and holidays, public holidays.
When is it crowded?
It is crowded during the afternoon, weekends, and the public holidays.
What type of people visit there more?
People of all age, all people there visit, especially families, students, and tourists.
Is the safe? Is the beach safe?
Yes, it is generally safe, but visitors should be creators.
Is there any market beside the beach?
Yes, sir. There is a local market near the beach.
What type of goods are available there?
there.
Yes, many types of goods they are available there, such as snakes, toys, handcraft, snail shell items, etc.
Did you buy anything from that market?
Yes, I brought.
What did you buy?
I brought a seashell and handmade bucket.
Is there any restaurant there?
Yes, there are some small food stalls and restaurants.
Did you have anything there?
Yes, I have some local snacks and tea and coffee.
What is the difference
Difference.
between
What's the
Cox's
difference
Bazar?
between Cox's Bazar and Pottenga?
Difference.
Okay.
What is the difference between Cox's Bazar and Pottenga?
Okay, Cox's Bazar is larger, more beautiful, and better maintained than Pottenga.
How is the
Potentiality
potentiality
of
of
Pottenga Beach.
Pottenga Beach?
Pottenga Beach has good potential to become a popular tourist spot.
Why do you think so?
Because of its location and natural
সুমনের
beauty.
সাউন্ডটা কম আসতেছে
Okay, sir. Because of its location and natural beauty and communication.
Sit down.
What are the shortcomings of Pottenga Beach?
Poor cleanliness, lack of proper facility, and limited security in the main issues.
Okay. How is the security system over there?
Their security system is moderate but could be improved.
How can the security system be improved there?
By increasing the number of security personnel, installing CCTV cameras, and strict monitoring.
Is Pottenga Beach neat and clean?
Not always. It depends on visitors and the maintenance.
Why isn't the place neat and clean?
Because many visitors later are there and cleaning is not done regularly.
That's all.
Okay, that's all.
Okay,
Thank
that's
you.
all. Thank you
Good
very
job.
much.